From Wall Street to Main Street, this is LALATE.
It's a big morning here on Morning's Crypto LALATE with breaking details about your cryptocurrency moves this morning. We'll be going over the top 20 coins to invest in 2021. We'll be going over the top cryptocurrencies making move this Sunday and which coins are the best coins to invest in and which are the best coins to stay away from. We'll also be going over what the market trends are, what the charts are showing, and why three of the coins that I've been detailing on this channel in the last 48 hours are going to the moon right now. Exactly the best coins in the entire 50 coins of market capitalization. We hit these coins out of the ballpark on our predictions. We'll be going over which those coins are and why this channel continues to pick the coins correctly day after day. Then we'll go over what to anticipate later this afternoon as the market is up currently, but not particularly that strong. This is Morning's Crypto. How are you? And this is LALATE, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, financial news channel, live in the morning, taped in the afternoon. This is our morning's live show. Our next show is Evening's Crypto, taped shortly before it airs at 7 o'clock Pacific Standard Time. And then we just ended our overnight 15-hour show, our most watched overnight show ever, nearly 10,000 views in its initial launch. It's still generating views and over 250 new subscribers just from one video in its first few hours. So boy, that was a blockbuster. So subscribe, also like this video, and consider becoming a member. Let's get right into the market. You know what day it is. It's Sunday, and it was supposed to be a down day, but it's not down at the moment. So could it be a complete reversal? Let's recap. Over the last 3 weeks, the market has done the same thing. Fridays, evenings start to uptick. Then Saturdays start to surge. And by Saturday at noontime, we're at the highest point of the entire week. Then by Saturday noontime, we start to downdraft. And by Saturday afternoon, all the way into the lowest part of the week is Sunday afternoon. Over the last 3 weeks, Saturday at 11 a.m. was the highest day of the week, highest price point of the week, the point at which to sell, the point at which not to buy, and the best point to where to buy would be Sunday late afternoons around 4 o'clock, the lowest price point of the week for coins. Well, last week we saw Saturday not deliver that type of growth, but it was still up. And Sunday literally was a bloodbath last Sunday. It was the lowest Sunday ever in recent weeks. This was coming off of two market crashes. Market crash on Tuesday, market crash on Thursday, and then Sunday was ostensibly another market crash because the market dropped most coins below the levels of the first and two market crashes. So what did we anticipate coming into today? We anticipated tonight would be a bloodbath. So far it's not. This is why I anticipated it, because Saturday literally was not up. Yesterday, we were not up. We weren't even at a high of the week, let alone even delivering a positive return on the investment. So we were anticipating with so little support on Saturday that Sunday would be far worse. Well, currently at the time of this live broadcast, which is 10 o'clock Pacific Standard Time, the market is up 3%. And get this. The top two coins performing this morning on market cap out of the top 100 market capitalization are two of the coins which I recommend on this channel. Let's get right to the details. Let's look at some charts to understand where the market is to start, and then we'll go into split screen. Here you go. So Bitcoin, not particularly anything to celebrate about. It's basically flat, 35,000. It's at the warning signal threshold that we talk about on this channel. More about that in a second. Ethereum under the warning signal threshold, 2,400. Our warning signal threshold on Ethereum we'll go over in a second. Doge, not anything to celebrate about either. Went down, went up, relatively flat overall in the last 24 hours. And there's Polygon. Yeah, that is a one-day chart. That is not a 7-day chart. Look at that chart. Polygon, again, this channel has predicted it correctly. Polygon is one of two coins that is delivering double-digit growth in this Sunday morning. Only one of two major coins that is delivering these astronomical numbers on Sunday. Let's go to the next coin. And the other coin is this one, which I also recommended. Engine coin is the other coin that is delivering the massive gains this Sunday, exactly like I had told you to watch. I had told you to watch Engine, Polygon, Decentraland, and LivePeer. And those are up as well, but not as high. There's a LivePeer doing wonderful, and Decentraland doing well as doing good as well. Here is the Bitcoin chart, and then we will look at other coins like Monero, which is very interesting. Let's go into the split screen right now. On my side is coinmarketcap.com. Let's understand where the market is as we start to go through our coins. Coinmarketcap.com, if you're new to this channel, lists all the coins, starting with the biggest, most money invested in the coin. And it has three numbers that follow the name of the coin. Let's say Bitcoin. The next number is the price of the coin, 35,000. The next number after the coin is the 24-hour movement. Is it up? Is it down? The number after that is the 7-day movement. Is the coin up or is it down? Now, what's important to understand as we start with the charts this morning is the following. We are now on Sunday. Guess what? We will not see on a 7-day chart the first crash last Tuesday, not this Tuesday, but the Tuesday before that. The second crash, not this last Thursday, but the Thursday before that. And the third crash last Sunday. So don't look at the 7-day chart and say, oh, we are doing wonderful. You have to understand this. By most account, the third crash last Sunday was the hardest for most coins. That they dropped the lowest price on the third crash last Sunday. So with a 7-day chart, you want the coin to be up. If the coin is down, it is big trouble. If the coin is still down below the 3 crash levels 7 days ago, the third crash level, then the coin is big trouble. So you want the coin to be up at least on the 7-day chart and up decently because it's been 7 days. So let's jump into the split screen right now and let's take a look at some of the coins. All right, here we go into the split screen right now, and the market is up 30% right at the moment. Bitcoin at 35,000, Ethereum at 2,400. Okay, what are those warning signal levels that I talk about on this channel? What I always talk about on this channel is that if two events occurred, and if one of two events occurred, you are likely going down to the low side, and you could see another market correction. What are those two benchmarks? Ethereum under 2,500, it is. And Bitcoin at 35,000 or less, it is. So both of those events have occurred, and they have to be more than 24 hours. They have been. If both of those events occurred, it means that the market could go much lower, and it does not signal that the market's going up. Those are bad numbers for those coins. So understand we're trending downward. We are not trending upward, even though the market is up 3%. So this is an opportunity to buy if you want to buy. It is not an opportunity to sell because in most cases, your coins are going to be hit. All right, let's go down the list. So let's look at what coins are doing right now. Cardano is up 16% right now at $1.63. Nice little pop there. Then we go to Dogecoin, up 2% to 30 cents. Not good. Not good. This is a day that coins are starting to. You can see other coins like a Cardano that's up 16%. You see coins are up 20%, 30%. Here is Dogecoin again, not delivering. It's not a good coin. It is not a coin to be buying, and it is not a coin to be encouraged about because it's not consistently day after day. It does not deliver. Before the 3 market crashes, Dogecoin was down day after day, week after week. Now after the 3 market crashes, it's still not delivering buyers. They're not buying the coin. So let's continue down the chart. Anything else popping out on the charts? Nothing yet until we get to number 15 on market capitalization, Polygon. Polygon is up 11% right now. It is up since the 3rd market crash last Sunday, 130%. Now, if you have been with me, you have known how we do it on this channel. We like to trade. So when we like to trade, we want to know how low a coin goes and how high a coin goes. How do we do that? We look at the chart. We understand Polygon always trades between 80 cents and $2. It goes down to 80 cents, it goes to $2, and then it goes back down to 80 cents, it goes back up to $2. So we know that we will double our money if we buy Polygon at 80 cents and can cash out at $2. It's very easy. It's done it repeatedly. So where is it right now? It's on the high end. at the $1.89. So if you're an owner of the coin, you may anticipate potentially, you may consider possibly selling at a 234 or a 220. If you want to buy the coin, you're not buying the coin right now. Absolutely do not buy the coin. I know it's Sunday. You may want to buy the coin. You may be very anxious. You have to have patience. You cannot be buying Polygon at $1.89. Why? Because it doesn't go above $2 currently, ever. So you don't want to buy a coin on the high side. That's how we buy and sell on this channel. All right, let's go now on further coins down the list. Anything else that pops out of the chart, out of the list, going down on the chart. Most coins are up 3%, 4%. Aave, which I've covered on this channel before and like it a lot, up 8%, up 32% for the 7-day. Aave took a really bad hit after those 3 market crashes, so it's not rebounded. And there's Shiba. Another coin you should absolutely not be holding. It is a junk coin. It is up 2% today. So in a day in which the market is up 3% and a lot of coins are up 7%, 15%, Shiba is up 3%. It is one breath away from being into no man's land. Then we go further out on the coins across the board. Anything interesting? There's KUSAMA, my old KUSAMA. That was one of the coins which I recommended before the market crash. Coming out of the market crash, it had problems. Now today it's getting speed. KUSAMA is up 11% right now, and it is up nearly 30% since the market crash. It was one of 4 coins which I recommended going into the market crash, and viewers made money on those coins. But after the market crash, certain coins did not regain traction, and other coins did. Let's look over why it's important to understand how coins have reacted since the market crashes. Before the market crashes, the coins I was recommending were Polygon, Cardano, KUSAMA, Aave. I was also recommending Synthetic and Solana. Since the market crash, the only coins that have done really wonderfully since the 3 market crashes have been Polygon, and with sporadicness Cardano, not consistently. Since then, I have picked up other coins in my coverage, of course, which you're going to see in a second, like Engine Coin and like Decentraland and LivePeer. So they have done well recently. Let's look down on market capitalization. Decreed, interesting coin. I don't know anything about this. Decred or Decreed, a DCR. So here's an example of how I may stock the coin. What is stocking a coin? A coin sparks my interest. Why? You know why. It's up nicely today. It's up nicely for the 7-day. It's 16% up today and up 63% for the 7-day. Okay, so who are you? I don't know anything about you. So this is potentially a coin I'm going to stock. I'm going to watch it for a few days, see if it does good business, good numbers day after day, and maybe I like it. That's how I learned about the coins, which you're going to hear about in a second, like Engine. There's Telcoin, which I detailed a few days ago. It was another stalker coin and then sort of lost speed. Maybe I want to stock this again. It's up 13% and up 54%. Hot, which I detailed for 2 days, and then had a bad day. It's up 7%, but up 52%. And then we come to Engine Coin. And I don't, if I'm pronouncing it wrong, I'm sorry. I have no idea how to pronounce it. ENJ. It was a stalker coin, and then it became an interest coin. Meaning it's a coin that I may consider, that I may recommend you buying. And today it's insane. So you're just seeing the market's up 3%, coins are up 4%, 5%, 10%, 12%. Engine's up 22% today. Up 87% since the market crash. Okay, if that doesn't jump off the page, then let me show you the chart for Engine. It is the little engine that could. Here's Dogecoin. Here is Polygon, and then here is Engine. So there you go. That is. Let's get into the chart. I'm gonna watch my mouse go through the chart. So this is the 24-hour chart. Look at this. So Engine got as low as $1.20 yesterday, and it's $1.60 today. Now, of course, I'm not buying a coin based upon a 24-hour chart, but this is a coin that has been doing this for a few days. Let's look out of the 7-day. Yep. So there is that 7-day. Here was yesterday. Here was Wednesday when a lot of coins were well. And here was last Sunday's crash. So Engine is like a Polygon. So what is my return that I can make on an Engine trade? I buy it at 80 cents, ironically, the same price as a Polygon, and I could sell out at a $2, exactly the same sort of return as a Polygon. It does exactly the same numbers as Polygon and exactly the same buy and sell numbers. In at 80 cents, out at $2, double my money, and I can get my return in about 3 or 4 days. That is how you buy and sell the coin. Understand the coin is not going to go to $5, it's not going to go to $4, and it's not going to go down 60 cents. All right, let's go back in the split screen and let's look at any other coins which are fascinating this morning before I go over those other coins like Decentraland and oh, there is Decentraland next on the list, up 9% right now, Decentraland, and up 39%. So I'll show you Decentraland's chart in a second. Decentraland is another one of those coins which started as a stock of coins and now are interest coins on this channel because I stock them, I like them, and now I may want them. So you may want them. Decentraland is up 9% for today, up 39% for the 7-day. Also fascinating is Near. Don't know it. Maybe I gotta stalk it. Up 21% today. Up 27% for the 7-day. NEAR. Write that down. Near. Wow. So I'm looking at a lot of coins. Down, up 2%, up 3%. Understand when I see 20% up today, it just jumps off the page. It's clearly a coin that you want to stalk because it's just doing something. And there's Deo, which is up 10%. Interesting for the 24-hour. All right, let's go into some charts right now, and let's get into LivePeer. So LivePeer, like Engine and like Decentraland, are among my stalker coins, which became my interest coins. Meaning, I started to they piqued my interest. And so I looked at them, and now I may be interested in them. So let's look at Decentraland. Let's see how Decentraland has done. Watch my mouse. Sunday's market crash, 50 cents. And then that Wednesday, $1. So double my money. So it's a double my money coin. It went down to 70 cents last night or this morning. So now it's 79. It's up a little bit, 79 cents. So what would I do if a Decentraland? I would try to buy it at 50 cents or 40 cents and get out at $1. That's what I would do. Buy at 50 cents, get out at $1. That is, let's look and see how many times Decentraland has done that. So it's done it once, and we would hope that it would do it again. Now understand, Decentraland could bring me to $1.40, but I'm going to talk about whether you want to hold it to $1.40 or just going to get out at $1. Buy at 50 cents if it crashes tonight and sell out at $1. Let's get into LivePeer. LivePeer is a peculiar chart. Yeah, does that look weird? It should look weird. So look at, this is just 24 hours, folks. Let me look at 7 days, so it just even looks more bizarre. Okay, yeah. Does that look weird? It does look weird. Why? What are these things here? We go straight up and go straight down. Something programmatic is happening. Something with computers. Something straight up and straight down. So here was last Sunday. LivePeer was 11. That computer it brought it up to $33, and the computer brought it at one point up to 36. So this is higher return. This is buying at $11 and selling at 33. So if LivePeer drops to 11, what I bought, it is a coin of interest at $11 and selling at 33 because look, it can hold a 30. It can hold a $30. And that would be 300% return your money, more than a 200% return with Polygon, and more than a 200% return with Engine. Let's look at the here is a further out chart. So LivePeer does not go over $30, so you don't want to bet on that event occurring. All right, so then we go to Engine. Where would we buy Engine? So we would buy Engine at the same price level as a Polygon. Polygon or Engine, we would buy it at 80 cents if it gets to it tonight, and then sell it out at $2. And let's go into the Polygon's chart. Same thing. So here's Polygon. There's my mouse. Polygon. I would buy. I think I have to go out further because it was 80 cents on. There we go. So there you go. Buy Polygon at 80 cents. Sell it out at 2. I mean, you could do 220. So here are a few things you need to know about buying and selling, and about understanding these trends of the market across the board. First, let me go over buying and selling, price points, patience, and also what's happening for Sunday. First, on the buy side, there is aggressive on the buy side and there is aggressive on the sell side. Let me compare both of the situations so you understand who you are. You need to internalize and understand who you are before you start buying stuff and selling stuff. So aggressive means you like risk on the buy side. You would buy a live peer at 11. You would buy an engine or Polygon at 80 cents because you are willing to risk that the market gets worse and that you buy Polygon at 80 cents, maybe goes to 50 cents. You could really get a hit. Why are you aggressive? Why are you loving risk? Because you are comfortable with understanding the coin may devalue after you buy it, because ultimately you think it's going to go up, back up to $1, up to $2. So that is aggressive on the buy side. Conservative on the buy side is you don't want to buy it on a crashing market. You see the crashing market and it makes you jitterous. On the other side is conservative on the sell side versus risky on the sell side. Risky on the sell side is someone who holds Polygon, for example, after it gets to 234. I think it's going to go to $55. No, it's not. Well, I just think it is. I'm going to risk that. And then it doesn't. And then you don't get your profits. And then it tanks again. That's risk on the sell side. Conservative on the sell side, it goes exactly to where you think it's going to go, $2, and you get out and you make your double on your money. So most viewers, I think so far, have been risky on the buy side and more risk tolerant on the buy side and cautious on the sell side. They rather get in at cheap levels, but they also rather take their profits. To which I want to talk about profits. In the overnight show, we had one person who jumped in the chat who sort of challenged the whole notion of this buy and sell coverage on this channel by talking about the only way you make money is long-term holds. No. The only way you lose your money is long-term holds. Here's what you need to know is that when we talk about cryptocurrency, we are not talking about Ford stock. We are not talking about Beyond Meat stock. We are not talking about the stock that if you put the stock away and look at it in 3 years from now or 1 year from now, it's going to be double its money or 3 times its money. It's an easy investment. You don't have to look at it. No, in the case of cryptocurrency, do you know anything about live peer? Live peer could literally no longer be live. It's 6 months from now. The price, the excitement of the price. The price may no longer be alive in 6 months from now. So why would you buy live peer and put it away and say, I'm just going to be a long-time holder of live peer? No. Long-term holder of Ethereum and Bitcoin, yes. Those are coins you could absolutely buy at a steal if the event occurs and put it away and not look at it. But I got to tell you, there is 3 mentalities out there that are very, very dangerous, that are pure YouTube, Reddit, social media mentalities about cryptocurrency. If you sell, you're a wimp. No. If you sell, you're smart. People wanted to absolutely kill people, fight people over selling Doge when it went to 75 cents. You're a wimp. How darn you sell it at 75 cents? You need to hold the line. You can't sell Doge. People who sold Doge at 75 cents went out and bought houses and are now flipping those houses and making millions on those houses, rather than people that held Doge and now it's at 29 cents. So there is a notion to disrespect people who sell stuff and take profit on cryptocurrency. Untrue. Some coins should be sold when there's a profit level. Second, this is cryptocurrency. It's volatile. It goes up and down. And the more volatile an investment, the more opportunity to buy and sell. Third, some investments are buy and hold, and some are buy and sell and buy and sell. And there's a lot of investments like that out there. So don't think that some person that buying and selling is any less of a person than someone buying and holding. Finally, the market is generally not doing well. The market is generally down. So this market is down day after day. Why would you be thinking of holding in a down market? Because, you buy it cheap, it's going to be up in a few months from now. That brings me to the last point that I want to make, which is if you look at most of the 1-year charts, the 2021 charts on coins, like a Cardano, they look like this. Flat, January flat, February flat, zooming to the moon. March, April, May, and then they got to that beautiful time in May where everyone thought you could just buy a crypto coin. You don't need to go to work. You could stay home and play cryptocurrency and you can make money. And then suddenly down, 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 down. And now they're almost at the bottom of the run up the mountain. People think that now we're at the bottom of the mountain on the other side. We're the same as we were 60 days ago. We are not. And if you think that way, you're going to get burnt. Why? Because 30, 60 days ago, you could buy virtually any coin, make 200, 300, 400, 1,000% return your money if you sold. And it was very easy breezy. Now it's very hard to have a coin even up more than 5 days. And with that, it is a harder market to make money on. It is not going to be a point where you just buy a coin for 20 cents and it's going to literally go to $1. It won't. And you'll be sitting around 6 months from now and that coin will absolutely have not delivered anything. And you could have bought an, a boring Beyond Meat stock, boring for some people, and it would have gone up, 40% in that same period of time. Or a stock that has a dividend. So I want you to understand that your behavior in buying and selling is different now, number one, than it should be different, and your mindset different than how it was in February and March. Number two, you should not be thinking that holding is the option that the only option that people should do. The holds are people who are losing their shirt, and all they're doing is trying to sort of, disrespect people who are buying and selling, because the traders of coins are the ones making money now. The holds are the people who are not showing any gains week after week, day after day. And all they can talk about is sort of, pep rallies. And finally, it's important to choose the right coin. And that's why let's go over what you need to know going into Sunday afternoon. I had told you Sunday was going to be a bloodbath. Maybe it's not. Maybe I'm wrong. Maybe Sunday's a very boring day. Maybe for the first time in nearly 4 weeks, Sunday is not a bloodbath. Maybe Sunday is an up day. But understand, here's what you need to know. 2 of my benchmarks are triggered right now. Bitcoin is under 35,000 or at 35,000. Ethereum is under 2,500. That is a warning signal we could go lower. So we have we actually have 2 warning signals we can go lower. Both of my 2 warning signals that we can go lower are happening. Maybe it doesn't happen on a Sunday. Maybe it happens Monday at 2 a.m. in the morning or 3 a.m. in the morning. But understand, we have triggered our 2 warning signals to go lower. Number 3, the market's only up 3%. That's not up. That is not up. Number 4, most coins are not doing well. They haven't had day after day after day up days, and now suddenly they're up 4%, 5%. Great, you've been down for 4 days, folks. So there are some glimmering hopes in there. And ultimately, ironically, and I know this makes it hard for you, the coins that you want to buy are doing good today. Yeah, the coins I want to buy are the coins that are up, and the coins that are down are the coins I don't want to buy. It just always seems like that. So understand patience, because ultimately I know Polygon, I know Engine, I know Decentraland, I know LivePeer are all up today, and you may want to buy them. Be patient, because if we do see that downdraft, if we do see a crash, if we do see a bloodbath, if we do see Ethereum go to 1,700, 1,900 tonight or tomorrow morning, then all coins are going to drop as well. And so what I will do is, if I see an event like last Thursday where there was programmatic selling, and programmatic selling is where all the computers close out accounts because they borrowed on debt to buy coins. When I see coins dropping straight down, that signals a programmatic selling. I'll send out an alert to my subscribers on the channel. And that's why I want you to subscribe. When you subscribe, I send out alerts to you. I also answer your questions. And I enjoy interacting with you and expressing opinions about how to buy and sell. So hit that subscribe button right now. I don't want you to miss a single video across the board. Boy, it's a big Sunday morning, and I'm next back with you with noontime LA, and then this afternoon with Evenings Crypto at 7 p.m. Pacific Standard. So subscribe. Fastest growing YouTube channel, 400,000 subscribers in 1 year, a YouTube record. 1 million next stop. We added 150 subscribers on just one video in the last few hours, one crypto video. So hit that subscribe button, like this video, consider becoming a member, and share these videos on Facebook, Reddit, and Instagram. Stay informed, stay focused. Have a beautiful morning. I'll see you next on noontime LA at approximately 11 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, 1 a.m. Eastern Standard Time.